Here is the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, a smartwatch that does almost everything the big brand do but costs less. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, a feature-packed smartwatch that's shaking up the budget wearable game. The smartwatch is priced at 17,500 Naira, and with my discount code GeekDelino, you can get a 5% reduction on the price. The smartwatch promises HD calling, 105 sports modes, AI generated watch faces, and 7 days of battery life. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The packaging is small with a clear image of the watch. Opening the box, you get the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable, and a user manual. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite features a robust build with ABS and BC material, ensuring it's not just good looking but also tough. The watch sports a classic yet modern design with a 2.0-inch screen that fits perfectly on the wrist without feeling bulky. The band is comfortable, adjustable, and has a sporty yet elegant touch, making it versatile for both work and workout scenarios. The build quality is commendable. The watch feels solid in the hand with no cracking or flexing. Plus, with an IP68 rating, this watch laughs in the face of dust and water, making it ideal for all your adventures, whether you are sweating it out or caught in the rain. The display is where the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite really shines, with a TPF screen at 240 by 280 resolution. Everything from notification to workout stats is crisp and vibrant. The full touchscreen is responsive, making navigation a breeze. Daylight visibility is excellent, which is versatile for most outdoor activities but not my favorite. The interface is intuitive with smooth scrolling and quick transition between apps or watch faces, thanks to the optimized software by Oraimo. Performance-wise, the Watch 5 Lite doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with enough power to handle all features without lag. The battery life is particularly impressive, boasting to 7 days of active use. This is a game changer for those who forget to charge their device often. Charging the device is quick, with a full charge taking about 3 hours. I have a video concerning how to connect the smartwatch to your phone and set it up properly. The link is in my description below. Now, on to what makes this watch stand out. Whether you are into yoga, cycling, running, this watch has 105 sports mode. It's perfect for tracking diverse activities, ensuring you are covered no matter your sport of choice. Built-in blood oxygen and heart rate monitor, the Oraimo Sport 5 Lite keeps a close check on your health, providing insights that are useful for both casual users and fitness freaks. It also features wireless HD calling, which is not commonly found at this price point, allowing you to make calls right from your wrist, enhancing connectivity without the need to dig for your phone. The built-in mic and the speaker lets you call directly from your wrist. The sound quality on the watch is not the best. In fact, I would prefer you using your phone to answer calls in noisy environments. With AI generated faces, you can choose from a plethora of watch faces, even create your own matching your mood or outfit. It also supports the Oraimo Health app, which syncs seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to customize the smartwatch to your taste. You can also select and set your favorite sports mode on the watch for quick access. In conclusion, the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-packed smartwatch. It combines style, durability, and functionality in a way that's hard to beat at the price point of 17,500 Naira, especially with my 5% discount code using GeekDelino. If you are in the market for a smartwatch that supports your active lifestyle, keeps you connected, and looks good doing it, the Watch 5 Lite should definitely be on your radar. The blend of long battery life, extensive sports mode, and health tracking feature that makes this a standout option. Whether you are upgrading from an older model or you are just starting out with the use of smart wearable, this watch promises to be a reliable companion. If you enjoyed this review, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the next tech deep dive. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite or you are considering getting one. Catch you in the next video.